Ever wondered why some gas technicians work fast, clean, and confidently, while others struggle with basic tasks? It usually comes down to one thing: they know their tools. And in gas work, tools are not just about speed. They're about safety, precision, and doing the job right the first time. Today, you're learning the tools every Gas 3 technician needs to understand. Let's begin. Section 1. Tool safety. Before touching any tool, stop and inspect it. Is the handle cracked? Is the cord damaged? Is the blade dull? Is anything loose? A damaged tool can injure you faster than a difficult job ever will. Rule number 2. Use the right tool for the task. Need to tighten a fitting? Use a wrench. Need to cut tubing? Use a tubing cutter. Need to remove screws? Use the correct screwdriver. Using the wrong tool wastes time, damages equipment, and can create dangerous gas leaks. Always wear proper PPE, safety glasses, gloves. Work boots. Hearing protection when needed, and keep your workspace clean. Loose tools, cords, and scrap materials cause trips, falls, and costly mistakes. Simple habit, big difference. Section 2. Hand tools. Hand tools are the foundation of the trade. If you master these, everything else becomes easier. Screwdrivers. You'll use flathead, Phillips, Robertson, and Torx. But here's the key: always match the tip to the screw. The wrong size strips screws and slows down the entire job. Wrenches. Wrenches are essential. You'll use adjustable wrenches, open-end wrenches, box-end wrenches, pipe wrenches. Pipe wrenches are especially important for threaded gas pipe. Pro tip: whenever possible, pull the wrench instead of pushing it. If it slips, you're less likely to get hurt. Pliers. Pliers grip, hold, bend, and help in tight spaces. Needle nose pliers are great for precision work. Tongue and groove pliers are perfect for larger fittings. Other must-haves: tape measure for layout, level for alignment, utility knife for trimming materials, files for smoothing sharp metal edges, small tools, huge impact. Section 3. Piping and tubing tools. Now we move into trade-specific tools. These separate general workers from gas technicians. Pipe cutter, used to make clean, square cuts on pipe. A bad cut leads to bad connections. Reamer or deburring tool. After cutting pipe, sharp burrs remain inside. Those burrs can restrict gas flow and damage components. Always remove them. Threading machine or die set, used to cut threads onto steel pipe. This tool saves time but demands respect. Keep hands clear of moving parts. Secure the pipe. Use cutting oil. Tubing cutter. For copper tubing and softer materials, flaring tool creates a flared end for flare fittings. A proper flare must be smooth, centered, crack-free. If not, it may leak. Tube bender, used to bend tubing without kinking it. No flattening, no weak spots. Clean, professional work. Section 4. Power tools. Power tools save energy and speed up installs, but they can hurt you instantly if misused. Drill/driver. Used for drilling holes, driving screws, mounting equipment. Always use the correct bit and secure your material first. Hammer drill. Need to drill concrete or masonry? This is your tool. Perfect for anchors, brackets, and wall mounts. Impact driver, high torque. Fast driving power, excellent for structural screws and lag bolts. Reciprocating saw, used for cutting wood, metal, or removing old material. Keep both hands on the tool and wait for the blade to stop before setting it down. Grinder cuts and smooths metal. But remember, sparks fly. Wear eye and face protection and always keep the guard installed. Battery safety. Cordless tools are common now. Use approved chargers. Protect batteries, never expose them to extreme heat. Section 5. Other tools. Gas technicians. Use now for the tools that diagnose, test, and verify your work. Manometer. Measures gas pressure, Used for inlet pressure, manifold pressure, and testing system performance. Multimeter checks. Voltage. Resistance continuity. Critical for furnaces, controls, and troubleshooting. Combustion analyzer measures. Flue gases like oxygen and carbon monoxide. This tool helps confirm safe and efficient appliance operation. Leak detection solution. One of the most important tools in the trade. Apply it to fittings. If bubbles form, you found a leak. Never use a flame to test for leaks. Ever. Thermometer. Used for temperature rise and system checks. Flashlight and mirror. Perfect for dark spaces and hard-to-see areas. Ladder. Used for vents and elevated equipment. Always inspect it and maintain 3 points of contact. Final wrap-up. The best technicians are not the ones with the most expensive tools. They're the ones who know which tool to use, how to use it safely, how to maintain it, and how to work professionally every single time. Master your tools, and you master the trade. Because in gas work, skill starts in your hands, and your hands depend on the right tools.